we still have an increasing number of workplace outbreaks now, because now it's moved from the family outbreaks into the workplace outbreak, and so we need to look at that. There's also recorded some decline in international travel. For example, yesterday, they tested 953 passengers with 2 positive, so that's quite an impressive reduction so far. The correct use of face masks in Greater Accra has significantly improved, and we can do more. So as at the 6th of February, we have recorded about 73,003 cases. We've conducted 814,000 plus tests, leading to about 26,114 per million tests per population, with a cumulative positivity of 9. You can see that the cumulative positivity is gone up from about 8.2 to 8.4 now to 9%. We had about 89% of this number discharged. We have recorded 424 deaths, and with active cases of about 5,515. Majority of the active cases are in Greater Accra, as I mentioned, 17% in Ashanti and Western. Currently, all 16 regions have active cases. Update from the schools. I believe that there's been a lot of talk about this. We've had upper senior secondary school outbreaks in Upper West, Western, Greater Accra, and Eastern region. 23 schools in Greater Accra have so far reported 56 cases and no fatality. And I must show that parents have duly been informed. So if I come to that, we can look at the spread of the schools that are, then we have averagely 23 cases and total recovery 0 among others. But you can see that we also have some suspected cases of about 166 that we are still following up to see. And we have some staff also affected in the schools. Central region has also reported, okay, let me talk first about the Akosombo one. As at 28th of January, a total of 500, in the Akosombo International one, that has always been in the media. As at we had done a total of 553 samples have been tested, with 82 of them being positive. Students were 73 and 9 staff were positive. A total of samples have also been collected and tested, with 13 confirmed positive. That's after the 31st. And so that brings the total number tested to about 600. That's almost the entire school has been tested. This was a result of a positive case at home that they decided to do a test. The Greater Accra, the national and the regional team has visited the school, done our assessment, given our recommendations on how to improve the social distancing among others protocol to cut down spread. And so all of them are well and isolated, and those who are close contacts are still being observed so that we can contain the spread. Central region and the whole region has reported 8 cases from about 7 or so schools. 2 of them have already recovered, so they have 6 active cases among the schools in Central region.